Ayo gimana caranya?
First, draw a rectangle. 5 blocks tall and 10 blocks tall and 5 blocks medium. Just like this.
Terus
Just draw a rectangle right here.
ada rectangle juga.
Yeah, no. 5 blocks wide and 10 blocks tall. Okay,
Berapa?
5 blocks
Coba,
tall and
oke.
10 blocks wide.
Dan
Then, just like that. And do it. Then a circle. And over there, he's a superstar. So you made the star.
terus
Papa, you saw. There. There.
nggak apa-apa. Different mungkin.
And then draw her people like this.
Mana? Terus
And draw another circle.
terus
Then follow a little bit. A certain amount now.
setengah. Oke. Terus
Then it's same with the other eye. And just next.
untuk papa.
So
This
there.
terus
Let's smile.
terus
Smile, Pa.
ya semua.
Pa.
And then
Pa.
oh ya.
I'll help you.
Oke, terus
I already helped you.
ya.
Then her arms, her legs.
And next
Yeah. It's okay.
oh beef. Terus
It's okay. It's okay. And then her guitar is starched.
guitar with stars. The shape
No,
stars.
a star. And draw another one like this. Good job. Good job. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Terus
Draw strings on his guitar.
strings.
On his guitar.
Mana?
So just 3 of them.
Yes.
Papa, we don't need a start of.
Ah, oke.
Berarti sisa tuh kata sikit-sikit ya.
Eh.